Hey guys, more and more Amazon packages. Absolutely love ordering stuff from them. I actually was asked to do a review of this camera. So it is a 4K camera, but it's only like $100. It's really inexpensive. So you can give it to anyone. You can give it to your kid, give it to someone that's not very good with taking care of things. And it's 4K Ultra HD. So equipment these days is becoming so inexpensive to make and so much easier mainstream. So it comes with, that's all of the different options it has. So it's really, really neat. And I'm going to show you some video from this as I am going to the zoo. So let's check those photos out and let's see how this camera looks. But first, let's open it up. And it comes with your digital booklet. And then if you open it up, it comes with the two different boxes. Two different boxes. I'm assuming one is like the battery charge, like the charger, the memory card. Yeah, so comes in a little nice pouch. So you have a nice little pouch to put the camera in. Plus it feels like this is waterproof pouch, so that way if it, it is a digital camera. So it is plastic and metal, but feels mainly plasticky. And then you have your different connections. So you have your USB, your microphone, and your HD. So if you want an external microphone, you can actually attach an external microphone. That is really a nice to have. Then you have your small little LCD screen, plus your little viewing screen if you want to look through it, old school it. And then you have all your controls. And then you also have a spot where you can attach a flash if you wanted to. So this is kind of mimicking like an old school camera. Like some of the older, really old camera, but then they made it into like a digital. So that's really neat. So the accessory box, you have this lovely USB power plug. Then you have your USB charging cable for it, which is a USB to the micro C to charge it. It also comes with a strap. Then it comes with, this is awesome. Wasn't expecting that. It comes with 2 batteries. So I have 2 batteries to charge up tonight. And then a lovely, what size memory card is 32 gig memory card.
Oh, okay.
He's drinking water. Yeah.
Look at that.
Looking at that guy.
Look how that zooms in.
Hey guys, so went to the zoo. I'm actually using the new camera right now. I have my external microphone connected to it, so I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out. The video from the zoo looked amazing. So I'm now using just the built-in microphone that is in the camera. What do you think? I don't know the difference. Obviously, I'll check after the video recording so I can tell. But comment below what you think and what you think of the camera. It has so many different features. It allows for like time-lapse. It allows for video recording, photos, multi-photos for movement, and a couple of different other light settings for the different photo options. It allows you to zoom in. As you can see, you can zoom in pretty far. So I think it's worth $100, like $100-ish dollars, especially for the amount of capability that you can. Because how many cameras, without having to have a separate connection, can you just hook up straight to your PC and like recognize it, which is kind of cool. So other than that, Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And check out whatever other video YouTube recommends to you. And take care. Hopefully you like my video. And like I said, comment below what you think of the camera. And there's also a link in the video description for you to be able to buy this for yourself. And take care.